Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by proving ownership. You must have clear copyrights for the content you'll claim. Upload or prepare high-quality masters, because Content ID matches fingerprints. Low-quality files increase false positives. Once done, enroll in the partner program or sign with a network that provides Content ID access and assemble your evidence. Registrations, release forms, timestamps. Make sure to tag metadata consistently so matches are precise. This first step prevents disputes and speeds later claims. Next, you upload reference files into Content ID and build matching policies. Use clean masters and add alternate cuts if you expect edits. Content ID fingerprints each reference. Then configure policy actions. Choose Monetize, Track, or Block, and set regional or device restrictions because rights can vary by territory. Once configured, run tests on sample uploads to verify match sensitivity. Adjust thresholds and ignore lists so legitimate fair use or short extracts aren't misclaimed. This is the detailed execution phase. To finish, you actively manage live claims. Review match reports daily, approve or dispute user countersubmissions, and route revenue appropriately. When releasing claims, document why to avoid repeat disputes. Make sure to update references if you re-release or remaster content because stale fingerprints reduce accuracy. If a problematic claim persists, gather your evidence and escalate to YouTube support or your MCN and prepare to negotiate. One key troubleshooting tip: always keep original registration and license files handy to resolve appeals fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.